Hello, in front of me I've got the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Bose Music app. In the beginning, make sure that your Bose QuietComfort earbuds are connected with your smartphone, and now enter Bose Music app. Allow, next, and connect. Select headphones and frames. Get started or skip. Agree. Now you can select to turn on push notifications or no. And now the app is searching for your earbuds. Connect. Dismiss. Insert your earbuds inside of the charging case and follow the instructions. Press and hold the button located on the back of the case until the earbud status light slowly blinks blue. Connect again. Confirm. All set, get started, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.